Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change speed of the Hyperlapse video recording at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the Hyperlapse. So let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big button at the center, the shutter, and to change the speed of our Hyperlapse we have to go to the right corner. When we pick this button we can see this kind of spectrum. Now we are from the left on auto speed, so the device should give us the best possible settings to our conditions, and we can also pick between 4, then 8, 16, 32 and 64. And the really cool thing here is that the device suggests us which speed is good for which conditions we have when we want to record the Hyperlapse. So for example 64 is good for recording sunrises and sunsets. Maybe let me show you 8, good for recording traffic. And now let me pick for example 4, good for recording people being active, to show you how it works, and let me start recording. So this is my object. Now I'm going to move it slowly because the Hyperlapse should speed up the original video. And now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter. To see the video, let's move to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our Hyperlapse video with speed 4. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.